Welcome back to my channel, foodie4jaz, your foodie alliance and more. Please don't forget to subscribe, give a heart, and press the bell to be notified of my future adventure. This is Jaz Eats and Bits. Today, I'm going to show you how an Italian dish called Chicken Cacciatore is prepared and cooked. Okay, time to prepare our chicken. Sprinkle chicken with salt and pepper and get ready to fry with olive oil. Or you can actually use any oil of your preference. On a heated pan, fry your chicken breasts until both sides are golden brown and set aside. Using the same pan, now with a low fire, saute onions for about 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes transparent. Add the garlic. Add the red bell pepper, followed by the yellow bell pepper. And the button mushrooms. Put in your olives, your carrots, your thymes, the parsley, and add 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. Then just mix it all up. Time to pour in 1.5 cup to 2 cups of red wine. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And by the way, you don't have to go for expensive wines. Then sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Then pour in 750 or 800 grams of crushed tomatoes. You can either crush your own tomatoes or you can choose to get an Italian crushed tomatoes in your favorite supermarket. Then add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I don't usually just pour the tomato paste on the pan. I usually mix it up like what you're seeing on your screen right now. Then add in about 300 grams of cherry tomatoes. Spread it out on the pan and just don't simply dump it inside. Remember, food is love, so you really have to take good care of each and every ingredient. Then sprinkle it with chili flakes. You can choose to add more depending on your level of acceptance. Just so you know that this clip is on fast forward mode. So what I need you to do is to really slowly mix the pan. Okay, it's time to add the chicken breast into the pan. Still on low fire though, let it simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. You need to stir occasionally so that the bottom of the pan does not stick out or doesn't get burned. You can choose to add more salt and pepper to satisfy your taste. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Chicken Cacciatore. If you like the full list of ingredients, please check the description box below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, again, this is foodie4jaz, always saying, please stay safe, be happy and strong. Goodbye.